Hello everyone. Our project is Hoist, right? Hoist means lifting and crate means iron box. Then what is the problem is generally we face many heating issues and fire accidents with the iron box when we are ironing the clothes. Generally, suppose imagine a situation where we are ironing the clothes and suddenly we may got a call or any urgent work in the kitchen. We went off and left the iron box on the clothes itself. Then after some time, due to the overheat, it may damage the cloth and drain the iron box. So let us see what are the existing solutions and
The existing solutions, there are three: manual intervention, automatic shut-off and iron box stand. In manual intervention, it is a normal iron box where the people use nowadays of ironing a cloth, and in automatic shut-off, the iron box where if a person is not in a contact with the iron box, it automatically shut off after 2 minutes. And in iron box stand, after the ironing of the cloth, the iron box is kept onto the stand. The gaps in the existing solution are: in manual intervention has the human errors. They may be left the iron box on the cloth, so it is in the contact with the cloth and there may be a damage of the cloth. And in automatic power off, while they are ironing and when they left the iron box after 2 minutes, it gets off, but in the 2 minutes the iron box is still in contact with the cloth, so it may damage the cloth. In iron box stand, after the ironing, they may forget to keep that iron box on the stand.
So coming to the proposed solution, as she has mentioned the existing solution, so to overcome that problem faced by the existing solutions, we have come up with the Hoist crate, which includes of IR sensor, which detects the touch with the help of our hand, and whenever the iron box is held by our hand, it will stay still, and when we remove our hand, then the iron box gets lifted up with the help of servo motors. So the signals from the touch sensor, that means IR sensor, would be sent to the microcontroller, which helps the servo motors to get lifted up. So this is our proposed solution.
So coming to the methodology, we have used four servo motors and one Arduino Nano and an IR sensor. So we have connected all the servos series to the Arduino Nano and IR sensor to the Arduino Nano. We have chosen the power supply using a battery or adapter, and when the power supply is turned on, the IR sensor detects the hand. If the hand is not detected, the servo motors get activated and the iron box will be lifted. If the IR sensor detects an hand, the servo motors get to 0 degrees.
So coming to the conclusion, so the basic idea of taking up this project is, the idea which made us to take this project is to prevent the damages to the cloths and to prevent from fire accidents. So in many cases we are seeing that due to iron boxes there are major fire accidents are taking place. So to overcome that, like in a busy schedule of persons, they may forget to switch off the iron box and they leave it and they go do their works. So to prevent that, we have implemented this project called as Hoist crate. So the basic idea of this is, whenever there is no human, like there is no usage of the iron box, so like if he removes his hand, the iron box gets uplifted with the 4 servos, and the sensing part is done by the IR sensor. Let us see the working of the model.
So when the iron box is held like this, then the servo motors don't get lifted up and it will stay still. So when a hand is being lifted, the IR sensor detects that a hand is not present and servo motors get lifted up. So this is the way that we iron as usual, and if we lift our hand, it will get lifted up, and there is a space in between from the fabric to the stand.